Python code for creating and manipulating strings using various string methods. So here I'll be creating a new original string, and I will be printing that string and finding the length of the string, converting that string to uppercase, counting the number of occurrence of any character in that, replace a substring with a new string, and split it into a string list and check whether it is having alpha or starts with. So let us start by creating a string. So I'm taking a variable where I'm taking str string input, and here I will tell the user to enter the string. Enter the string. So this will give us the user to enter the string. So I execute and show. So here user can enter the string whatever he wants to enter. And once this is done, the code ends because after this nothing is written. All these are comments. Comments are not part of the program. And if you want to user to talk to enter on a new line, here you can add escape character slash n. So now if we execute and now if the user enters, so if you print this, so it will be visible on the new line. If I use the output statement, and here I will write print a. So after entering the output will be visible. So me random string I am putting, and if I enter this, so now it is displayed on the new line. Or here you can write inside the original original string is, close the quotes, the comma, and all this. So now you can see again a random string I'm entering. The original string is adjustment. So here we don't have to put backslash n. Here we will value expression escape character. So if I execute this now, so here you can see a white space is visible. And if you want to take this on a new line, then you can enter backslash n. So it goes to the new line. So in the beginning if you enter, a white line will be inserted here, and at the end of this if you enter, it goes to the next line. So this is the new line escape character. So if you want to check the length of the string, you can write a print statement, and in this you can put this, mention this, the length of string is, and outside the quotes you call the len function, and if you want to check length of string, if the variable a where the string is stored, so length of a. If you execute this, you can see the length of string is 6. So there are 6 characters. It is counting and returning. Now similarly, let us go and write for upper. So all output statement will be writing the uppercase of string is, uppercase of the string is, and here you can put a comma and write a dot string is stored in a, and with the tab button all these methods will be visible. For the capitalize, cascode, keyboard, center, count. So we are going to go for upper. So you can check is upper also, so that will return boolean true or false. So upper, and this is a method, so parenthesis will be there. Okay, so this will convert the given string in uppercase. So again I am entering the same string, and here you can check it is converted to uppercase. If you want to go for lower, a dot lower, so you convert to lowercase. Okay, now count number of occurrence of any character. So print occurrence of, I will take a character A. How many times A is there in our string, whichever will get the is, and outside of those A dot count, or you can press tab and get this shortcut count A. So how many times A is there, it will count actually. So here I like save the string. So here it is showing us one, but it should show zero because A is not there. So let me check. I'll clear the kernel once. I'll enter a new string and check. So this is not getting executed. We check I have to mention this inside. Yes, I have to mention this inside quotes. So now we can check. Yes, we go with the before string and it should return 0. Yes, A is 0. And if we go with A wala string, it will show you how many times A is there. So 5 times A is there, 5 times A is there. Okay. Similarly replace, so inside the print statement, string after replacement, and outside the code go and call the string A dot, and method is replace. So here you have to mention, you have to replace what with what. So I want to replace Python with programming. So you have to write this in quotes. So Python with programming. Single or double quotes you can use for it. So for this you have to write a string. So I'll write all the methods and then execute it once. So now we have to split. So list of words are, so it will be printed inside the list. These need to be inside quotes. List of words are, and dot split. So this split function will split the given string in the list. And lastly, we have to check whether it starts with some given string or not. That's with hello. So we'll be checking if the string starts with hello or not. If yes, it will return true, else it will return false. So A dot starts with is the method function over here, and here you have to pass what you are checking for. Hello. Okay, so finally I'll execute with the key string which is having all these keywords. Hello Python learners, welcome to string manipulation class. This I am entering. So after this hit enter. So here you can see the original string of for case of the string occurrence of a. Okay. After replacement, so your Python has been replaced with programming, and list of words of the given string it is listed out and starts with hello, it is set up to true. So this is how we can go with other methods also. So for any method, after the dot you have to press tab button. So these are the list of methods which are there, and you can do all these string manipulation tasks with the help of this given version. So I hope this is clear. Thank you very much.